D328 Eco that is developed by Deutsche Aircraft is truly the most modern turboprop on the market in production. Apart from its amazing performance capabilities, basically the aircraft is able and ready to go anywhere, whereas short runway, difficult operational conditions, difficult weather conditions. Apart from that, the aircraft is equipped with a state-of-the-art, most modern avionics system that no one else can be proud of. And of course, the brand new propulsion system, which is 100% SAF PTL compatible from the entry into service. And therefore, we are extremely proud to present this aircraft to the market as a truly modern turboprop in comparison to any in-production aircraft today. The current replacement possibility is around 3,000 aircraft in total. So this is quite a big market that we are seeing. Many aircraft flying today in the same capacity, same class, are, let's say, facing their end of lifetime very, very soon, and operators need to look for the fresh replacement, and we believe that D328 Eco is a great aircraft to be used for that. D328 Eco is set for the future to be placed really globally. Of course, we see some markets that are more, let's say, more in demand of the regional aircraft, and the others are less. It's also driven by the age of the fleet that is currently operated on the specific market. Nevertheless, I would be very brave to say that D328 Eco would be placed globally in the future. I think we are quite lucky to say today that we have been so far achieving every major milestone of the program, and which we are extremely proud of. And we did tremendous progress together with engineering teams. We have, I think, achieved quite good results for the product. We have updated performance capabilities and cabin capabilities of D328 Eco to match this to the market demand. I am very happy to see how our teams are reacting in a positive way to that, and applying really every possible and sometimes impossible effort in order to make this product the best on the market.